Hi everyone, Cindy Squirrel here. Well, I want to show you what I got in the mail today from Amazon. Now this was Amazon.com because it was a $25 gift card that I had won on a live with Big Valley Living. So if you haven't checked out Big Valley Living, go check her out. Great channel. And I didn't know what to spend it on, and I thought, these high tunnel, look at the height of that. Like, that's a good 8 inches, isn't it? 4 inches, but it's got venting. So it's the one, you got the dome, you got the tray, you got the seed cells, and then these are your ventings on top. And it comes with a beautiful shovel and then to poke the dirt. Isn't that cute? Plus, these are like plastic, reusable markers. And it was, like I said, it was on Amazon. And the company is, if you can pronounce that, ANGTUO. So it was a 10-pack seed starter tray. And it was only like $18.99 for this. So that's $1.89 each. So $1.90 each for this. And it is heavy plastic. Like really good. I'll be able to use these for years and years. They weren't flimsy at all. You know, those black trays that you get at the dollar store that are a bit flimsy? Well, these aren't. These are a nice durable plastic. Like, you can hardly even bend that. So, yeah, I'm quite happy with the quality of this. It's very, 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 very sturdy. And it will be great for putting the tomatoes in or anything. You know, it gives you just a little bit more time under the dome. So I'm quite happy. And again, thank you so much, Big Valley Living, for the gift card so I could get these. And happy gardening, everyone.